This is a video about how to add baking soda to your pool to increase alkalinity. So my alkalinity is just a little bit on the low side here. It's 75 and the recommended alkalinity is between 80 and 120 parts per million. So I'm just going to be adding this amount of baking soda, probably about half of a pound. I'm just adding a little bit at a time, and then I will retest the alkalinity to see if it's gone up. So I like to pour it on top of the skimmer. Just take a glove and just go like that to try to get it out. That way you don't have chunks of baking soda in your pool. When it gets down to the last little bit, I just start adding some water to it. Makes it easier to go through. Then I just take the skimmer and move the water around a little bit. So just to get the water circulating a little bit more, to mix up the baking soda that I just put in there, I'm going to turn the pump off. So when I turn it back on, it's going to prime. It says priming for 2 minutes. It's going to run it at a high speed for 2 minutes, which will circulate the water a lot better. So I'm just going to retest the water to see if the alkalinity has gone up. Okay, it's the second one from the bottom. Definitely closer to 80 than it was before. I think if I wait even some more time, it's probably going to go up a bit more too. So that small amount that I did put in helped to raise the alkalinity just a little bit.